Logic 0, example 17.1, a conjunction of atomic propositions. In this example, we have a quote from Xenophanes. Xenophanes was what we call a pre-Socratic philosopher, meaning that he came historically before Socrates, and Socrates died in 399 BC. Xenophanes is from a couple of generations before Socrates, within Greece, so within the Greek culture. And of course, Xenophanes is commenting here on Homer and Hesiod, the two most famous epic poets from the Greek tradition. And this quote from Xenophanes says, Homer and Hesiod have ascribed to the gods all things that are a shame and a disgrace among mortals, stealings, adulteries, deceivings of one another. So there's more than one way that we could break this down, but let's say that we let A equal Homer has ascribed to the gods all things that are a shame and a disgrace among mortals. And we'll just leave it at that. So we just want to capture the meaning here. What is the proposition? And we can drop some of the qualifying language. And then there's also the claim here that Hesiod did the same thing. So at a basic level, we need to at least make this distinction that there are two claims being made by Xenophanes. One claim is about Homer and one claim is about Hesiod. And then we can translate this into symbolic form as A and B. So with this assignment of variables, A and B says the same thing as our original quote. Homer has ascribed to the gods all things that are a shame and a disgrace among mortals, and Hesiod has ascribed to the gods all things that are a shame and a disgrace among mortals. Okay. And then, of course, we want to do a truth table analysis. And this is a single statement. And we can do our familiar interpretations and then fill out the truth table. And we see that under some interpretations, this statement is true, and under some interpretations, this statement is false. And so it is contingent. And of course, then we have our closing tag. And for our answer string, we eliminate the line breaks, but let's leave it at that. So here we have an example of a quote from a historical person. And we've taken that quote, as it stands in natural English, and we've translated into symbolic form and treated it to truth table analysis and found that this statement from Hesiod is a contingent statement.